In this video, I will show you how to add a card to OnlyFans. So if you want to add a credit or a debit card to your OnlyFans to subscribe to other users, then I'm going to show you how you can do that. So first of all, we're going over to our OnlyFans app, or you can just go to the browser. And from there, we're going to click on the profile section at the bottom right. And from here, we are going to click on your cards. So let's go ahead and click on this. And then in here, when you haven't added a card yet, you will see this option here saying add payment method. And once you click on this, you will be able to add a credit or a debit card. I already have a card added to my profile, but if you want to add another card or just add your first card, you're going to click on this icon saying add card, and I'm just going to click on this icon in here. And in this section, you're going to fill in all of your details, including where you live and the details of your credit or debit card. And once you do that, you will need to click on submit at the bottom right, and then you will add your card to OnlyFans. So that is how you do it. It's very easy and straightforward. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.